morning routine for a rainy day. I'm gonna do a little makeup. So I don't need that much. It's just oh, first you gotta always do your bubble. Wait, it's more. Okay, now we gotta take 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. I'm not rubbing it hard. I'm just, yeah. So I haven't posted in a while. I've been busy. Like, I just it's school week. Oh my gosh. I know you guys probably get out, or you guys probably got out later, but next Monday is my last day of school because we had something, but we're going to do on Friday, but we skipped a day, so we had to do it on. We have to do on Monday, so yeah. Next, we are gonna do a little bit of concealer. It's probably just gonna be under my eyes and probably right here. And that's really gonna be it because today's a rainy day and next is gonna do a little bit of blush. Okay. See how low that is? Yeah. Because this is tinted again, and I'm not wearing that much makeup. Oh my gosh, I need to light. And I'm so excited for the summer because oh my gosh, it's gonna be so fun. And I'm getting a hot tub in maybe we're hoping a week, but I'm so excited. And yeah, and I just get to do stuff and yeah. So I have a little runny nose, so I'm gonna blow my nose. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Always come back every time. Got that long hair, slick back, white t-shirt. Just gonna do like that because yeah. And I just gotta rub it in. I like to rub it with my fingers. What's this contour? I'm not gonna do a lot because it's wait. some of it right here. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It looks like I just pooped on my face. So I just pooped on my face. I have so much, so I'm gonna put on my nose. Oh, it looks bad, but trust me, it's gonna look good. So yeah. Blow my nose again. Sorry about that. And I'm still gonna be rubbing it. Because the weathers are changing, so that's why I have allergies. I don't have anything. I'm not sick or anything. I just have allergies and stuff. I'm gonna put a little mascara on. That much. You see that? Yes, I know. It's a lot on my fingers, but it's worth it. Next, let's do I said light makeup, and it kind of looks like it before. But I guess, yeah. Shamarie, Shamarie and Joy. I'm using this by Sephora. Doesn't really look good, so I'm gonna add into it this another one by Sephora. What just happened with my lips? They look like they're a mess. Let me. I guess they're cute. Like the glitter. Like we should do that, and we should like put this on. Sure. It really is cute. Good job, me, for fixing it because it looks really proper. Next, we gotta brush my hair. I'll be right back because I'm gonna like wipe these off. I just gotta like, I don't need that much makeup on, so I'm just gonna try to that. And then we gotta wipe that. I know you're like, why are you wiping that? I'm just like, because I put way too much makeup on that I was supposed to, and yeah, it looks bad. God, just like, so I don't look like. it's better. But wait. I feel like that looks better. I know you're like, Gabby, why did you do that? It's just like, I don't need that much makeup. I guess I just would do it. Cool. Go down. Be right back. Let me get my brush. Bag white t-shirt. Oh. Slick bag white t-shirt. It's crazy. I didn't know. That's crazy. I said white t-shirt. Down with me, I can up the style. Okay. So I'm wondering, how is your guys' day so far? Yeah, that was when I said I was singing white t-shirt. That was out of no plan. I just wear that just like that. Flashing down, waking back at time. Up in style. Take it all. Got that blonde hair, slick back, white t-shirt. Now waiting back. Okay. Now I got to 1,000 wishes. It smells so good. It smells so good. Now to match with that, we gotta put I love that smell. Make it 1,000 wishes. If you're like, why are you putting it on my neck? Because it's supposed to be for everywhere. Your body. Ow. I literally just stubbed my toe on my own foot. I don't know why. I don't know how that makes sense, but yeah, I did that. Oh yeah, guys, I'm so excited for that. My mom said, so this, I might move my bed. And then I'm gonna have a vanity right there. Might move my bed to here, I don't know yet. So yeah, I'm excited. But yeah, now we gotta brush my teeth. Gotta get a clean act. Don't mind. Okay. Crashing down, we can back down. It looks like I'm not nowhere, but like, look at. Okay. This is my routine. I looks good. Sorry about that. I'm gonna brush my teeth. Okay, I use this toothpaste and this toothbrush. So yeah, let's go into it. Open style. You got my long hair slicked back, white t-shirt. One of my friends might come over today if they say yes. Oh, I'm so excited. On Monday Ew, we're done with school after Monday. Like, can't believe I'm gonna be a fifth grader. Fifth grader next year. Like, what? Is that even possible? My friends are like, we're gonna be fifth graders. Or like, you're gonna be a fifth grader. Because my friends are, I'm supposed to be in fifth grade. It's my birthday. Like, I'm kind of supposed to be my fifth grade. Is my birthday. So I'm the oldest in my class. Guess what song I'm singing? If you guessed it right, it was by Taylor. It was like, I was singing, long hair slicked back, white t-shirt. Now we gotta wash my retainer brush. Okay. I think we're good. Good. Oh yeah, and I'm making up a transition. So see that video too. Oh my gosh. One big thing, we are almost to 200 subscribers. We need 2 more people. Come on guys, subscribe please.